If you use an inside the waistband holster and you're having issues whereby the hand grip of your pistol is sticking out a bit too far and you need to get that balanced within your waistband so that the up and down position of the pistol is just right, then what you can do is try some of these wedges that are sold by a company called DEERCO. They sent me these to give my opinion on them and make this short video. Inside the box, you're going to find that you're going to get all these wedges here of different shapes and sizes that are going to be able to help you to balance where your inside the waistband holster lays. So with all these different sizes, you're going to get four of them. You can go from a very steep incline here all the way to a nearly flat one. And this is mainly just for comfort. What you're going to find on these wedges inside here is that they're very, very smooth and very, very comfortable. It's like a memory foam. As you see, if I press on here and then let go, you see how it comes back slowly. It's a really, really well made, springs right back, just like one of those memory foam pillows or mattresses. On the back side, they've got molded on here the hook side of the Velcro. So you can attach a Velcro piece from your holster side here like this and put a piece of Velcro there, and then you'll be able to take the wedge and attach it right in the spot that you might need for that to provide you the most comfort. And this is going to be something that you just mount on there, and if you got to adjust it, it's got Velcro, so you can just pull it off and you can make changes like that to make it fit just right. So if you're worried about your inside the waistband holster printing in the wrong way, or if it's just sticking that handle out, then these can be a really good solution to help you figure that out. So you're going to find in the case also, they're going to give you a whole bunch of Velcro and other attachments here to help you get this set up just right. All kinds of different Velcro pieces and some cleaning swabs here, alcohol pads, so that it sticks onto your inside the waistband holster just perfect. So hey, I hope that helps learn a little bit more about these wedges from DEERCO. You're going to get all kinds of sizes here to make it work for your situation. And as always, hey, I hope you have a great day.